Which is greater, 2 raised to power 35 or 5 raised to power 21? Let us begin. Now, a look at 2 raised to power 35 and 5 raised to power 21 shows that the two exponents, 35 and 21, are multiples of 7. So let us get 7 out of them. So 2 raised to power 35 is written as 2 raised to power 5 times 7, while 5 raised to power 21 is written as 5 raised to power 3 times 7. And recall that when we have a raised to power x times y, it is the same thing as a raised to power x then raised to power y, as one of the laws of exponents and powers. So 2 raised to power 5 times 7 is written as 2 raised to power 5 then raised to power 7, while 5 raised to power 3 times 7 is written as 5 raised to power 3 then raised to power 7. Then 2 raised to power 5 is 32, so we have 32 raised to power 7, while 5 raised to power 3 becomes 125, and that's raised to power 7. The aim has been achieved, and the aim is to express each power to the same exponent. Now that we have the same exponent, we then look at 32 and 125. Since 125 is greater than 32, then it implies that 5 raised to power 21 is greater. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell